Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As you know, that we were discussing about the role of a small business in rural development, and in that discussion, we have already discussed till fourth topic, that is utilization of the local resources, that basically small scale industries used to utilize the local resources. Now, dear students, today we will start the discussion about the rural development, small scale industries contribution in rural development. Fifth point, that is equitable distribution of national income. Dear students, as we know that small scale industries and cottage industries ensures equitable distribution of national income. This helps to reduce the gap between rich and poor. Dear students, generally small scale industries raise or contribute in national income, and it also helps to reduce the gap between rich and poor, because by providing employment or by starting the business at a small level, the poor people can enrich themselves, and the gap between rich and poor of the country can be reduced or minimized. Now, dear students, the next point, that is balanced regional development. Dear students, the enterprises are often dependent on local resources of production. This way, industries do not just limit themselves to a particular place but diversify also. This helps in balanced regional development, because dear students, as we know that each and everything cannot be developed in each and every area, but each and every area has different or specific resources that is used by the different people, or that is used by the different entrepreneur at a small level. For example, dear students, the cultivation or farming of sugarcane cannot take place each and every part of the country. So few specific part of the country is, or we can say the soil of that part is suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane, like cotton, jute. Similarly, these all things are growing in different areas. So in different part of the country, there is a different resource, and that resources are going to be utilized by the local people, by the people at local level, and they are going to prepare a kind of particular thing which is different from the other places, and due to production of these things, it helps in balanced regional development. So dear students, these were few basic role or importance of a small business in rural development. Now, dear students, we were discussing about the importance, but we have to also study about the problems of small scale industries, because dear students, if it is contributing in growth and development of the nation, if it is doing the equitable distribution of national income, if it is promoting the balanced regional development, then we should also promote the small scale industries. But nowadays we are seeing that small scale industries are facing some problems. That problems are because until or unless if we are not going to look after the problem, then it cannot be settled, and the small scale industries cannot be groomed. So dear students, first problem of small scale industries is finance. Dear students, non availability of sufficient fund in order to carry out business operations is an important problem faced by small scale industries. Dear students, banks sit at the grant at to grant financial help to these units. Dear students, this is one of the most important problem of each and every small scale industries. Each and every small scale industries are suffering from lack of finance, lack of funds. Due to non-availability of sufficient funds, they are not operating their business properly. Even though these small scale industries can be grown up, but due to lack of resources, due to lack of finance, they are unable to hire the resources. Even if the resources are available at local place, resources are local, but still they don't have the payment capacity. Therefore the resources are not available in adequate quantity for these small scale industries. So dear students, this is one of the most and biggest problem of each and every small scale industries. Now dear students, second is raw material and power. Dear students, small scale units are unable to buy raw material in bulk due to lack of funds and storage facilities, because these business are started at a small level. That's why these business do not have a large storage capacity like uh, large industries or large scale industries which have a large space of godown and warehouses to keep the material. So these have the less storage facilities, and due to lack of storage facilities and also lack of finance, these small scale units cannot purchase the raw material in bulk, because for purchasing raw material in bulk they needs more finance, more funds, which is not in this businessman's hands. And the next term, that is shortage of power, is another factor which leads to underutilization of plant capacity. So many times it is seen that especially in village area there is lack of electricity supply and they do not have the capacity to establish a kind of power projector or direct generator, or they cannot use the generator each and every time to produce the raw material, because they are producing the raw material at lowest cost. And if they are going to use generator and something other equipment to supply of power, for supply of power, then it is quite impossible that to produce it at cheapest way. It means production of goods and services cannot be held at cheapest rate. So dear students, it is also one of the most important problem. Until or unless the power is not in continuous flow, then it is quite impossible that they can utilize the plant capacity at 100% or more than 100%. Basically it is seen due to lack of power, due to shortage of power, each and every time it is seen that the organization is not going to fulfill or produce its goods at the correct time, and most of the time uh, machines are not in work. So dear students, these two are the basic and big problem of small scale industries. There are also some more problems, that is marketing, technologies, competition, and other problems are there before small scale industries. Today we will stop it over here. Tomorrow we will start the discussion from the problem related to marketing, technology, and competition and others. Till then, thank you.